Go on. Let's see that Super V8 get in there. I just made the same mistake, but that's why we had to push mine. Told you, I just made that same mistake. That's gonna make it worse. That's it right there, dude. That's it, dude. They're both spinning. Flory, you'll get in there. You're not even hitting the gas and they're spinning.
That's it.
Oh, that's awesome.
But they're both spinning.
Yeah, I know. I think you're stuck, buddy. Hey, if that starts moving while you're out of the car, that's going to end badly.
I'm in the ditch already.
Hammer down. Let's see what happens. Maybe you'll burn through it enough.
Hey, we got no gas to burn through.
I just ran my tank almost dry doing this.
I ain't you.
I think you're stuck.
Take that shit out.
Hang on. Okay, I guess the show's over.